EMS Consulting Group has been in business for over 20 years, and during that time, we have learned a lot about the needs of our clients. We began offering e-learning in 2009 and have refined it and added several programs to it over the years. E-learning is a great way to learn about the concepts of Lean and Six Sigma. Supplemented with coaching and other live services, it can be a critical element to developing capability in your organization at lower costs. Today, we are introducing a new way to engage in e-learning, our enterprise plans. Our clients have asked if they can have their own private e-learning site with our courses included. With an enterprise plan, we create a branded e-learning site with your company logo, information that will allow you to do the following. 1. Add your team members as participants and assign them to any of our courses or learning paths. 2. Track your team members' course progress and test scores. 3. Have us design customized training modules and courses. Customized courses using existing modules are included for all tiers, while some tiers include customized modules. Your enterprise account will include access to all of our courses whenever you need them. We have several certification programs, including Certified Lean Practitioner, Lean Six Sigma Black Belt, Green Belt, and Yellow Belt. We also have certificate programs in Lean Healthcare, Lean Leadership, and Lean Software Development. In addition to these, we have more focused programs such as A3 Problem Solving, Value Stream Mapping, 5S, Standard Work, Kanban and Pull Systems, Continuous Flow Manufacturing, and more. We will work with you to create the best learning paths for your team. You're probably wondering how much an enterprise account will cost. Pricing can be as low as $8 per user per month, depending on the number of users. We would be happy to provide you with a quote. Please visit lean-training-online.com and contact us.